Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharmishta and this is English with Sharmishta. In today's video, I am going to tell you about advertisements. In your exams, sometimes you are told to write classified advertisements. In your real life also, sometimes you need to give an advertisement in a newspaper for some real reason. Whatever is your reason, you should know how to write an advertisement. The types of advertisements that I am going to discuss in this video are classified advertisements of situations vacant, situations wanted, and properties. Situation vacant means that you are told to write an advertisement in which you ask people to apply for a post which is vacant. Situation wanted is when you are told to write an advertisement asking somebody to employ you, mentioning your qualifications and requirements. Advertisements of properties include properties to let and properties for sale. So, you are told to write an advertisement for a property that you own and you want to give it on rent or you want to sell it. I will give you an example of each kind of advertisement so that you can understand how these kinds of advertisements are written. For example, an advertisement of situation vacant can go like this. Required a history teacher for Sunshine Public School. MA in History and BA degree holders with fluent English speaking skills can apply within 7 days. Salary is negotiable. It is necessary for you to write an imaginary contact number at the end of any advertisement. So you will write for more details contact and add an imaginary phone number after that. So you must have noticed that in this advertisement, at first the requirement is mentioned. Who wants and what is wanted. Like Sunshine Public School wants. What does the school want? The school wants a history teacher. And what are the qualifications that are required? So the qualifications are also mentioned. Then another thing that is mentioned, the salary is negotiable. That means you may apply and then we may decide the salary of the teacher. Here's an example of an advertisement of situation wanted. BA Honours English tutor Sonia Sharma, experienced in teaching class 10 to 12 students of CBSE and ICSE boards, is looking for a job at a reputed tutorial institute. Good communication skills and good knowledge of English grammar and literature. Expected salary is 20,000 per month. Contact number, again you will provide some imaginary phone number. You must have noticed that I have provided the qualification of the person who is looking for a job. Then the kind of the job that the person is looking for is mentioned. The special skills of the person is also mentioned, and at last the salary that is expected is also mentioned. It's also necessary to provide contact number. An example of an advertisement for a property to be given on rent can be like, you have to write to let as the heading. A well-furnished 3 BHK flat available in a peaceful locality near Shambazar metro station. 24 hours power backup and drinking water supply. Rent rupees 20,000 per month. For details, contact and the imaginary contact number should be provided. An example of advertisement of property for sale. On the heading for sale should be written. After that, a 2 BHK flat for sale at a housing complex in Howrah. Balcony in the south side, 24/7 water supply and power backup. Gym, swimming pool, lawn and children's park within the complex. So you must have seen that both in the advertisements of properties for sale and properties for rent, I have provided all the specialities of the property. Where it is located and what kind of property it is and what is its speciality like power backup and water supply. These informations are provided. In this regard, they both are same. But the one that is the property for rent, that comes within the column of to let, and the one that is the property for sale, that you can buy that property, that comes under the column of property for sale. That means you will get for sale column in the newspaper and also to let column in the newspaper. If a person wants to buy a property, he looks at the column for sale. And if a person wants to rent a property, take a property on rent, that person looks at the column to let. So if you are told to write an advertisement to give a property on rent, then you will write to let on the top, and then you will write the specialities, and at last you will write the contact. And if you are told to write an advertisement for property for sale, then you will write for sale on the top, then you will start writing your advertisement, and at the end you will provide the contact. So today I have given you 4 examples of classified advertisements. This kind of advertisements come as questions in your exams, and you can easily answer them if you just look at these advertisements and you can practice them and follow some rules that I have told you. You will find this kind of advertisements in the classified ads columns in the newspaper. Reading those advertisements will also help you in your practice. That's all for my video today. I hope it will be helpful for you, and I hope that you liked it. If you liked it, do like and share, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you keep reading, keep listening, keep practicing, and do take a very good care of yourself till I come with my next video. Bye for today.